How to use TurboTax to file tax return. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is choose your TurboTax version. After that, create or log into your TurboTax account. You can head over to TurboTax website or open the desktop application for that. Then sign into your account by entering your credentials. After that, make sure you've gathered all the required documents such as income slips, deduction, receipts, and more. After this, the first thing you want to do is enter your personal information. This includes name, address, social insurance number, marital status, and dependents. Then, the next thing you want to do is enter your income and expenses. Here, you want to enter the W-2s, 1099, and other income slips. Then, you will have to enter your deductions and credits. TurboTax will prompt you to enter different information such as RRSP contribution, medical and childcare expenses, charitable donations, and other details. Go ahead and input all of that. Next thing you want to do is review and optimize your return. TurboTax will automatically check for errors, optimize deductions to maximize your refund. If there is anything that needs to be reviewed, it will also say so. After all of that is completed, you can file your return. For US users, you can submit electronically via e-file to the IRS. TurboTax will confirm if your return has been successfully submitted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.